Alright guys, today here I have again the Intrubuster Gen 2 from Mercury Rise. Today we made a Shorty carbine kit. This time we're using the short version of the Sterling self-defense compensators. We also have this barrel in here. It's a short barrel with a little mini extension, so it comes right to about here. I don't know. Here, let me see. I don't know. It's around, I guess, 5-6 inches, maybe 6 inches. Looks like. I'm just guessing by the looks of it. Anyways, and we have the Sterling self-defense suppressor on here. But yeah, pretty simple build. Actually, yeah, I kind of gotta take this off then. Alright, so basically all you need is a Phillips. So you take it right out of the packaging. I just showed another one of these. I showed he's got a long version, I do. And then there's another version where you can attach a free-floating handguard onto it, an AR-15 handguard. So I have another video on that, so check that out. That's pretty cool. Because now you can add key mod, M-lock, quad rails. So yeah, pretty sweet. All different lengths and sizes. If you go check it out, I made 2 different videos with the medium and the other carbine with the handguard. Yeah, check that out, man. It's really cool. But yeah, so basically you just gotta get your Phillips screw here. There's gonna be a nut on the other side. Oh, come out. Oh, I just had it out. Okay. Okay, now that'll just slide off. And we got the Sterling self-defense. It's kind of a modular barrel, so you can attach extensions on. This is a 686 specific. All my extensions are. Yeah, so pretty much just take it out, guys, as is. You can attach whatever furniture you want onto, the laser or anything. So it's just gonna come back on here like this, and then right down like that, and then drop your screw in. Get the nut in there. Don't have to over tighten it. So there, now you can put on a muzzle. If you want to, you can put on a longer barrel. Yes, you can put a longer barrel on that for more power. This will give you a significant amount. Plus your air chambers, the SSD air chambers you have as well. Make sure you get the Intrubuster Gen 2 specific one. Have less problems. I've already had problems trying to use the Pistol X68 ones in here. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this. That's the SSD suppressor. I'll get more into that in a separate video. But yeah, guys, all this stuff's available at sterlingselfdefense.com. This is the Shorty kit. This is kind of the longer version. So yeah, check out the other video on this one. This just goes on the same way, over top of your barrel. And then, like I said, you can decorate it any way you guys like. This here makes a really nice handguard. Sorry, a foregrip. And then so does this as well, obviously. So, yeah, and then there's that key mod. Sorry, the That's the other, the Compensator, where you can attach one of those to your AR-15 style handguard. Any type you like, any size, any length. Anyways, guys, check out the video for that too. I pretty much got everything covered on this. Yeah, that's it, guys. Y'all stay safe. Take care as always, man. This is a sick little carbine to hold on to. Oh yeah, we also got, so that's the drum. And we also got a stick mag we can use. There we go. So we got a stick mag as well. That'll hold 14 rounds. Y'all stay safe. Take care, guys, as always.